flowers. Are you excited to do this? The materials required are 2 color sheets, one for the flower and one for the stem, and 1 square shape paper for the leaf, and a scale, a scissor, a sellotape, a glue, a pencil. Now let's start. Here, first I'll keep it. Now let's start from the flower. Here you need only some of the sheets here. First you have to fold it like this. Okay? Then you can draw the line here like this. Here like this. If you want, you can use a scale. I am doing it normally. Okay? You will get a line like this now. You have to cut that here. Now let's cut it. You'll get it like this. Okay? Now here you have to take your scale now. You can measure it this much, or you can normally draw the line. Okay? Here you have to draw it like this. Then the entire line here to here it goes. This. You have to cut it like this. See? Like this. If you want, you can draw the line and you can cut it, or you can do it normally. I'm doing it normally. Something like this. Here now you have to open this here. Okay, you'll get it like this, something like this. Okay, you'll get it like this stick. Then again you have to do it like this. Turn it where the line is there. You have to again fold it to that line. Then you will get the buffness. Okay, now it's time to stick. Here, you have to apply the glue beside the line here. Be careful not to add lots of glue, okay? It might come out. Yeah, now I added the glue. Here now I'll stick it. Press it like this, see? Some glue may come to your hand, okay? Yeah. You have to press it a little hard, then only it will stick. Or else you'll get it it will get open. Yeah. Okay. Done the flower. Yeah, we have done the flower. We'll keep it aside and we'll do the stem. Let it dry, then we'll come to that again. Now, here you can take some of the paper. Here I can the same. Get this size paper if you take an A4 sheet and do it half. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, now let's start it. Or you can use a scissor. fold this side because this makes the stem little thin. The stem, we'll take the sellotape stick or you can use a glue. Yeah, now I'll take the tape out. Yeah. At the last. Here. If it went too up, you can like little pull it will come down. And then you have to stick the sellotape. You have to rotate it with this one stem and then cut it. And then now we'll do the leaves of the stem here. First you have to do it into 4 folds. Okay, here you have to do it like this, then like this, and you can do it into zigzag. Yeah, now we got like this, you'll get it like this. Okay, now you have to cut it into leaf shape, but be careful, don't cut this side also, then it will not join. Like this, something like grass. Okay, next, now you have to make it very curved. Here you have to rotate it. Okay, then you'll get it like this. See, this is only I was saying. Then again here this too. Here also like this. keep it here. Down of the flower here. Here like this. It will be little hard to do it. Okay? Yeah, now we will stick the sellotape. Yeah, now stick the tape. We need transparent tape for not be seen how we are stuck. Yeah, now we finish the flower. See here and see here and here the leaves. Yeah, now we will add the perfume to it to make it more smell like a real flower. Now here, you can use a jasmine spray. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, now we'll add it here to the flower, okay? It smells so good. Really. It smells so good. Like my video, subscribe my video and click the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.